Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 10 from the playlist of JEE Main Physics. And the topic for the today's session is the dimensional analysis. And today I have taken one question, which is the MCQ type. And with the help of that question, this is the question which I have taken for this session. So with the help of this question, we will be understanding how the concept of dimensional analysis is utilized in uh, finding whether a particular relation or equation is correct or not. So the question here is, which of the following relation is not correct with respect to simple harmonic motion? So there are four relations given here. First one is y is equal to a sine 2 pi upon t. Here t is what? It is a time period. And here a is the amplitude of displacement, y is the displacement, and a is the amplitude of displacement. Here v, small v, is the linear velocity. And t, small t, is the time at any instant. So we have four relations here, and we have to find which of the following relation, or it can be relations also. There can be one relation which is not correct, or there can be more than one relations which cannot be correct in this case. So let us first of all take this equation y is equal to a sine 2 pi upon t. So if I use the concept of dimensional analysis, which says that the an equation or a relation is true only when the dimensions of all the terms on the right side and the left side of the equation or relation are the same. So here in all these four equations we have got the trigonometric ratios also, that is sine 2 pi upon t, sine vt, and then sine small t by a, and then this is sine 2 pi small t divided by t minus cos 2 pi small t divided by t. Now the trigonometric ratios are dimensionless, but it will be dimensionless, but for that these term, that is 2 pi upon t, vt, this t upon a, and this 2 pi small t upon t should be dimensionless. Now 2 pi upon t, if we just check it, then the dimension of 2 pi upon t is equal to t minus 1. Similarly here, v into t, v is a linear velocity, so its dimension is lt minus 1 and into t. So the dimension of v into t is L. Similarly here, t upon a, the dimension of small t is t, and the dimension of a, this is the amplitude of displacement. Here y is the displacement and a is the amplitude of displacement. So again this is L. So the dimension of this is t L minus 1. And here this 2 pi small t upon t, that this is dimensionless because the dimension of small t and this time period are the same, it is t. So the sine 2 pi small t upon t and cos 2 pi small t upon t, they are dimensionless. So whereas here 2 pi upon t, vt, and t upon a are not dimensionless. So now we will use the concept of dimensional analysis or the principle of homogeneity. So for that we will be just finding the dimensions of all the terms on the right side and the left side of the relation. So that the dimension of y is L, the dimension of a is also L, but here sine 2 pi upon t, this 2 pi upon t is not dimensionless. Here 2 pi upon t has got a certain dimension, as we have just seen, that was equal to t to the power minus 1. So this equation is not true because the dimension of all the terms on the right side and on the left side of this relation are not the same. So this relation is not correct. Now let us come to this relation. Y is equal to a sine Vt. Now the dimension of Vt was also was equal to, that is LT minus 1 into T. So that was equal to L. So again, the dimension of Vt is L. Now here the dimension on the left side of the equation is L. The dimension of A is also L. But the this sine Vt is dimensionless. But for that, this term Vt should also be dimensional. But here the dimension of Vt is coming out to be L. So this equation can not be termed as dimensionally correct. So this equation is not correct with respect to the simple harmonic motion. In fact, it is not dimensionally correct. Now let us come to the third equation. Y is equal to A upon T sine. Now here the dimension on the right side is, on the left side is L. On the right side, the dimension of A is L. The dimension of time period is T. And again here. So here automatically you can see here. Now sine T upon A. Again, this is T upon A is not dimensionless. So this is not dimensionless, and at the same time here the dimension on the left side is L, and here the dimension of A upon T is L by T. So this equation is also, this relation is also not correct as per the dimensional analysis. Now let's come to the fourth option, that is D. Here the dimension of Y is L, and the dimension of A is also L, and this sine 2 pi T upon small t upon T and cos 2 pi small t upon T, this 2 pi small t upon T is dimensionless. So this term is dimensionless. So in this case, since the left hand side, the dimension on the left hand side is the same as that on the right hand side of this relation, therefore this one is correct. That is, this equation is dimensionally correct. So in this question, the relation A, the relation B, and the relation C are not correct as per the dimensional analysis. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with one more question which will be based on the same topic of dimensional analysis. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.